So here's the thing, I have decided to give my workspace a little makeover to make it more of a comfortable and productive environment to work in. So let's go. This video is brought to you by Grovemade. So here's the thing, I have decided to give my desk space a little makeover to make it more of a productive and comfortable environment to work in. As a tech YouTuber, I'm always trying out different tech products and finding the ones that are not too pricey while delivering optimum user functionality. Now I want to take you all along for the ride as I redo my whole setup, and first things first, let's take a quick look at my current desk space setup. So it was due time that I changed things up a little. I started off by moving my shoe rack to a different spot to free up some space. This little wall right here is pretty narrow and I didn't want it to look empty, so I figured adding some pegboards would be a good fit. I opted for the IKEA pegboard, which I think is a fantastic addition to any workspace. It is perfect for keeping your items organised and within reach. The pegboard is made from durable materials and the installation process is straightforward, and it only requires a few tools to set up. Before drilling your wall, use a leveler and mark your points with a pen to ensure your wall anchors are straight. The pegboard comes with screws and wall anchors so you can mount it securely to your wall. The instructions are easy to follow and the process should take no more than 30 minutes. One of the best things about the pegboard is its versatility. You can customize it to fit your needs by adding hooks, shelves, and other accessories. This allows you to create a personalized workspace that is perfectly suited to your workflow. Another great feature of the pegboard is its design. It has a clean, modern look that fits well with any desk space. I ended up going for two as I wanted to have one on top of the other. Overall, the IKEA pegboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking to organize their workspace. It is affordable, versatile, and easy to install. If you want to create a more functional and stylish workspace, this pegboard is definitely worth considering. These triangle lights by Cosynodes are a great addition to any desk setup. They provide a warm and ambient light that is perfect for creating a relaxing and productive workspace. The lights are easy to install and come with a remote control, allowing you to adjust the brightness and color temperature to your liking. I made use of the double-sided sticky pads when mounting them on my wall. The triangular design of the lights is sleek and modern, and they can be arranged in a variety of configurations to fit your workspace. If you're looking to get one of these or some of their other lights, make sure to use my discount code for 15% off your order. Overall, I highly recommend the triangle lights by Cosynodes for anyone looking to upgrade their desk setup with a stylish and functional lighting solution while not spending too much. If I'm going to renovate my workspace, I couldn't help but get my hands on the popular Govee Glide. Setting it up was a breeze. Simply snap the pieces together and ensure the connector sits at the end of the piece. It's recommended that you test out the lights before mounting them on your walls to ensure all the bars work. Each tube comes with 2 adhesive tapes to provide a firm hold. When mounting the lights, be sure to push firmly to ensure they stick well. The Govee app controls the lights and you can get creative with the kind of lighting you desire. In my opinion, the Govee Glide truly enhances the aesthetic of my workspace, adding a stylish and modern touch to my desk setup. Investing in ambient lighting is very worth it and it can improve both the functionality and appearance of your workspace. Today's video sponsor, Grovemade, has generously sent me some of their accessories to upgrade and transform my workspace. The first accessory we have is the desk shelf, which comes in 5 pieces that need to be assembled. It's very easy to put together and you get an instructions guide to help you. Just a tip, make sure you screw the middle base tightly so it doesn't wobble. I think the Grovemade desk shelf is a sleek and functional accessory that can keep your workspace organised. You can put your laptop, notebooks, or anything else you need right there. It's made from strong materials and has a modern look that will fit in with any decor. I went with the solid walnut finish, which I think looks great with the black tabletop, grey walls, and the 2 black pegboards on the side. The keyboard tray is also a great accessory. It has a natural cork base and is made of walnut with aluminium reinforcements on the base to contrast the keyboard's design. I chose the walnut finish to match my desk shelf, and as you can see, the keyboard fits perfectly and stays in place. To match the keyboard tray, I also got the walnut finish trackpad. It's sleek and minimal, and it just fits perfectly. Grovemade is a company that produces high quality desk setup accessories such as desk mats and monitor stands. They offer a range of stylish and functional products that can enhance the appearance and functionality of your workspace. If you're looking to upgrade your desk setup or workspace, it's worth checking out their website. You can also get a 5% discount by using my coupon code. I'll include all the information in the description below. The previous monitor stand I had was a disaster with wires all over the place, making it impossible to move around. It was definitely time to get rid of it. I searched for a monitor arm that would free up some desk space and improve my posture by positioning the monitor at the right height and distance, and I found the perfect one, the Huanuo dual monitor stand. The box is well organized and all the parts are protected. Assembly is very easy. Attach 2 brackets to the stand using 6 screws. Then position the stand on the desk and attach the C-clamp while making sure everything is screwed tightly. The best thing about this monitor stand is that it hides all the wires inside, keeping everything super clean. And I love the little compartments that keep all the wires out of sight. When placing your monitor on the VESA mount, be sure to screw everything in tightly to avoid accidents when moving the monitor about. This dual monitor stand screen mount is amazing. I don't have to do any extra work to get it to stay put at any angle I want. Compared to other dual monitor stands I've used, this gas spring dual monitor arm is a breeze to adjust. It has a tilt range from -50 degrees to +35 degrees, a 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, so it's super easy to set my screen at the perfect angle. With the monitors, I'm still using my 27-inch screen Acer monitor as I feel that is a perfect size for me where I'm able to carry out my everyday tasks such as video editing, web browsing, and emails. But I was looking for another monitor so that I can increase my screen real estate. So Koorui have kindly sent me their 24-inch Full HD monitor with a 75Hz refresh rate. I will be arranging this monitor to aid my workflow when it comes to video editing and emails. I'm going to be doing a dedicated review on an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that one. I'm going to be using 2 monitors, with one in landscape mode and the other one in portrait mode, as that works best for my kind of workflow. When it comes to desk setups, every detail matters. That's why I decided to go for Wolvende's desk mat in light grey. The old one was starting to look a little worn out and I wanted something that would match the sleek and modern aesthetic of my workspace. This desk mat is made of durable premium felt that feels great to the touch. I chose a light grey colour because I felt that it would add a touch of sophistication to my desk space. It's also a great neutral colour that goes well with any other colours in my workspace. Now that my desk setup transformation is finally complete, here is the final finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will leave the relevant links to all the products mentioned in the description below. And until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.